Hi guys, today we're in Warrington at MANIC Minors Toy Store.
Yo!
I don't know a lot about toys, so there's going to be a lot of...
What about this? You know about
I know about Pokemon. Collectibles.
And Buzz Lightyear. You had Buzz Lightyear.
Yeah, and Buzz Lightyear from...
You still got it somewhere. I think it's in garage somewhere, isn't it?
Yeah, but it won't be worth as much as that, will it? We do like this. That's the signed Ninja Turtles, Raphael.
Like your top.
Yeah, this is Supreme, if you don't know. This is Supreme.
Sign one. Just going to show them the sign one. Yeah.
Yeah, fire away.
Matches your top.
Raphael.
How much are sign ones these days?
Oh, it depends, sadly, if the person's
Alive
still
or not.
alive. Yeah, yeah. It's normally based on the price of what the convention had charged for the signature, plus the price of the toy.
Not on Sony Records. These are not built by Sony, yeah?
UMG.
I think that one's the best one.
I do.
Like a raff.
How many likes?
I don't know how much it's worth.
How much is it worth?
That one currently about 50.
What's
But
it?
it's a reissue toy.
How many likes?
15? A pound a like?
Pound a like.
15 likes?
Yeah.
Yeah.
15 likes.
Happy with that? 15 likes, you come back and buy it?
Okay.
Or ship it like
Or
you did
ship
with...
Right, we'll chat about that, yeah.
Autos always go up. Don't they?
Rather one. What's that? Motley Crew.
Oh.
Motley Crew.
Post Malone.
Oh, you got Motley Crue, you got Mick Mars at the back there.
I don't know who that is, but
Looks a bit, not bad. I like these though. I like your self-branding.
Yeah, we've had our own figures made from Nick at Nima Studios in Wrexham. Shout out to Nick.
Shout out Nick.
hopefully you'll make us one sometime.
Yeah, yeah.
The Great Alex Mason one. That'd be chaos. Get some Freddy Krueger on feet.
Figure 2-pack.
Mm.
Yeah.
Maybe one day.
80 style hip hop, yeah.
Yeah.
What? And put it next to your Deadpool one as it's Wrexham.
No. Yeah.
I got it.
Yeah.
And you can see Lewis Brunt at the same time.
I can. Shout out Lewis Brunt and Josh Brunt.
Shout out to Mason. Is it Mason?
Evans.
Mason Evans, who
Barnsley.
plays for Barnsley, and his dad, Mark, who doesn't play for Barnsley. And Star Wars toys. I know about Star Wars.
These ones are empty, aren't they, Kev?
Yeah,
Be wiped
one
out.
of our biggest sellers, we struggle to fill the whole thing. It's
That's what I look like after.
a big night out.
Yeah.
That's the Sunday morning look, that one.
I found Monday down there. Column on thing, but Monday morning one. That's Tuesday, I think. Midweek.
My Monday one is probably.
The rugby fan. Do you go to the rugby?
I do, yeah. Season ticket holder for my sins.
I've actually never watched a rugby league game in my life.
Oh, you'd love it. Just people running solidly into walls for 80 minutes straight.
What the players like? Do they have pictures and that or not?
Yeah, yeah, they all stick around for pictures and autographs, yeah.
Just you know me. I'll YouTube it. Well, rugby into it's a different market, different audience.
Got sodas.
Donald Duck.
Donald Duck.
Game Boys.
Tiger Woods. Harry Potter. Shark Tale. Mario. Shout out Mario.
Luigi. some Pokemon toys.
Side duck.
Not in budget.
Side duck.
Won't go in there. What's this?
Games room thing.
Toy shop not open.
It should be.
Oh, it should be. Bargain Beers is. £1,000 for this. What's this off? £1,000 for this.
£1,000. Pound on whatnot. Whatnot start. You pick your favourite Funko?
My favourite Funko.
I was might say one as on my video is Iron Maiden.
I went for Josh Rosen.
Even though I don't listen to their music, but shout out the represent lads.
I don't know who Josh Rosen
Greg.
is. What is it?
Iron Maiden. Represent.
So what is it?
Funko on the shout was a collaboration, isn't it?
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? And it's that way this way on, isn't it, Manchester's?
The Underworld. Lots of different toys for the collectors. Obviously the most popular ones are like the
Turtles, Gremlins, Street Sharks.
See, more turtles. They're like a Ninja Turtle. Little Boosie.
Little Boosie. What about Rampage Jackson? Got to get Rampage in.
Where is he? Up here. Shout out Rampage Jackson. It's great to meet you years ago. Where was it at?
Nottingham.
Nottinghamshire or Leicester?
Nottingham.
Beautiful.
That might be the one, eh?
What do you mean? Your one. What Rampage your last of the box though, isn't it? Not like Roman down there. Western. Roman Reigns up back. Shout out Roman.
Shout out Roman Reigns. Seth Rollins.
Seth
Is that
Rollins.
R-Truth, that one? With jeans. That's R-Truth, that
No,
one.
that one is.
Yeah, shout out R-Truth.
That one is. That one's that other guy. Can't remember his name.
Oh, also Chuck Liddell, the Iceman. Rey Mysterio.
Huh? Pick a toy. Pick a wrestling one.
I was going to go with Iceman.
Oh yeah? I was gonna go with Raymond.
Should I go with R-Truth?
Yeah? We've got both then, haven't we?
Yeah. Got them both in real life. So
That's
might as
what I
well
mean, we've got both in real life, so I may as well
be biased.
be biased.
What about Aliens?
Aliens.
Or Taco. Taco, El Taco.
Deadpool, you don't know about that, do you?
What, Wrexham? Arnie.
Arnie. First one. Boba Fett.
Boba Fett. What about Gremlin?
Boba Fett.
Gremlin. Street Sharks.
I didn't know Boba Fett made noise. Don't know about Street Shark.
Street Shark.
Where did it even make the noise? I must have pressed the button or something. Oh, YouTube backdrop.
Oh, look good, don't you? Your YouTube backdrop.
TG.
TG.
430. I'm going to get one as well, TG, hopefully. But not dog leg.
You don't want dog leg there.
No, or
PDK. A PDK.
PDK.
Yeah, PDK.
BDK.
BDK, GDK.
Hopefully we'll get one of them for, you get them for about sub 80, isn't it? Or 120 if you want to. 430. If you believe.
Cheap, never give up.
You get yourself a seat. Get yourself a tea.
Get yourself a tea.
All different sizes.
I think you should get this one.
So is it? I think we should get this one.
Transformer.
Bumblebee.
Auto bats.
Auto bats.
Tops. Tops.
It's Akbar.
Tops.
Yeah, top what?
Tops. The Star
Star
Wars
Wars
Galaxy
trading card included. For £3. Wouldn't that go up though?
Surely that will go up there.
Yeah, it's 99p, yeah?
Yeah, back in the day.
It's £3 now.
Yeah.
How much does the card worth? If you can't grade it. In the wild with Topps cards.
Not Toko in the wild.
Not Toko in the wild.
Captain America.
Keep seeing him about as well. Do you? This one. The leopard one. The leopard transform. AW. Might be open now.
Oh, that's how I feel like on a Monday morning, normally.
That's every morning for me.
Chainsaw. Porsche 997's just gone past. You not see it?
Nope.
Oh.
Do some stuff. Have we done that? We haven't. Yeah, Chris. Not doing too bad. Morning's total. Pizza, look.
Pizza.
Nickelodeon.
Gremlin. Gremlin spider. Iron Maiden. Iron Maiden toys are expensive though, aren't they?
Ultra Ball.
What about when they die, they're even more expensive? Rampage Jacks.
Pokemon Ultra Ball doesn't hold its value.
Doesn't it?
No. They're 120, aren't they, or something?
Market might change in the next month too. Don't know. One. But Rampage Jackson.
So any Pokemon, you have one.
You got M&M's and all. M&M Star Wars.
Oh, them M&Ms. I thought it was talking about the other M&M. £10. Surely they hold that money because that's a collab.
Yeah.
And some Pokemon packs.
Black and white. And you get Vincini out of it.
Omega.
Nike Evolutions.
Some random one. The car, yeah? Couldn't do that again.
There you got your general bulk if you want to finish off your master sets.
Yeah, all individual filed up as well if you're trying to.
Do your 151 Temple
Minus
Forces.
Sword and shield.
Astral Radiance.
Is that the one Is that the one I had the whole full set of?
Unbroken Bonds.
Sun and Moon.
Cosmic Eclipse.
Temple.
Scarlet and Violet. They're going to stop Scarlet and Violet, so that's only go one way.
Ah, okay.
What, that way?
Mm.
Whatever they are, plushes. Wednesday, is it?
That's Wednesday. The funny thing that people have been doing with this, it's a bit of a factory defect, is when people are going in. That's kind of the ongoing shop joke that's going all around the UK and America. People just sneaking in and just making them all bald.
Well, that's what she looks like now anyway, isn't it?
Oh, there we go then. We'll keep her there like
Look,
that.
she's had some...
Cosmetic.
He's had work done.
What does it need to be doing? But
Texas Chainsaw Massacre.
then he used to
Machete.
Machete don't text.
Classic film.
He doesn't text though, does he?
No.
Machete in space.
And whatever they are.
Dracula.
And graded cards.
And you're graded. Get graded. More tag teams. It's even got Zard.
EX. Russia, yeah.
Fresh around.
So pop into Manic Minors in Warrington. Say hi to Kev.
Hello there. Open 6 days a week. Plenty of parking. Plenty of toys. Plenty of bants.
And 15 likes for
15 likes for the RAF.
Raphael.
Make it happen.
Make it happen.
So please like, share, comment, subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.